Thinking that is part of the piston skirt. Shouldn't be finding a shark tooth in your oil pan. So it's not good, folks. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be taking the motor out of the WRX. It's probably going to be a two-part series. I'm going to take the motor out and then the next video I'll disassemble it. Don't know what's wrong with the car at this point. I don't know what I'm going to be doing with the car at this point. I may buy a new car, buy a new motor. I don't know. I need to assess the damage before I make any decisions. I've been working tirelessly on my website and to get up merch for you guys. It's just really time consuming. I was designing a website on Wix, but I found out that Wix is not the best platform to work off of. They're kind of like Apple. They end up owning all of your stuff. It's really hard if you need to upgrade your browse, your, how do I describe this? If you start having a lot of people and a lot of traffic, you're basically kind of capped. They can charge you whatever they want to charge you, and it's really hard for you to transfer all of your design over to a different platform like Squarespace or WordPress or whatever. So I just want to prepare for the future. Who knows, this probably won't even take off, but if it does, I just want to be able to have room for it to grow, enough memory space so I'm not going to get charged a ton of money. They basically own your hosting. So I went with WordPress because one, I wanted to learn how to code and start dabbling in that. But at the same time, places like WordPress, there's a bunch of different hosts. So supply and demand, you have a lot more options. So the prices are a lot lower for hosting. And you also don't have to, you can pay a lot less for the same that Wix offers you. Wix is kind of like an all-encompassing package, so they charge you a lot more for hosting your website. So I didn't want to do that. I heard it's not good if you're doing e-commerce or your main income, your income is basically coming off of the website. It's not really good to start out with Wix. As easy as it is, it's a really great platform if you're just looking to slap up a website. Wix is a lot better if you're creating just a website, say like you're creating a website for like your shop and you're going to be advertising pictures of what you do and just like a phone number and a contact, and you just want a page to have all your information on there. Wix is really great, but long term, I don't think it's a good idea for me to be selling merchandise and stuff off of Wix. So I switched to WordPress. It's taken me a lot longer than I thought it was going to get the website up, get all the merchandise up, but I'm getting really close. I'm hoping maybe in the next month it'll be up and you guys can start buying merchandise. I have a lot of people asking me for merchandise, so I'm sorry guys. I also owe people merchandise from some of my giveaways and stuff. I'm super sorry. Yeah, it'll hopefully be up soon. Trust me, I'm staying up till like 1 o'clock in the morning and getting up at 5 trying to get this website done. So don't think I'm being lazy. It's literally just really time consuming. So hopefully it'll be done soon. But yeah, let's get this motor pulled and see what the heck is going on with my car, because I need to make a decision on what the heck I'm doing with this stupid piece of crap. Just kidding. Subarus are so amazing. They're great. They're such great cars, like so reliable. They're so great. I'm just kidding. I do love Subarus, but this kind of sucks. I'm out of a daily. This was my daily driver, so yeah. Don't know what I'm gonna do. It's a big question mark right there. Also, just wanted to say Happy New Year's, guys. I know 2020 has really sucked for a lot of people. A lot of you guys talked to me on Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, and I just wanted to say best of wishes to everybody in 2021. I'm pretty sure everybody is happy that this year is over. I just wanted to say thank you to everybody who has done a ton to support me. I have a lot of different people that support me, a lot of people that reach out to me. I want to keep in contact with everybody. I'm, if this does take off, it probably won't, but I want to make sure that I stay in contact with everybody. I think YouTubers, as hard as it is to stay in contact with a ton of people that reach out to you on different social media platforms. It gets really overwhelming. You have like, I have hundreds of people at times message me all at once, and I fall behind on messages, but I think it's important to keep up with you guys and stay in contact with you guys. But you guys really make me keep going. You guys, I mean, I got a message yesterday from someone who was like, I saw one of your YouTube video ads and keep going, your content's good. So it's comments like that and things like that that just keep me going. I do get a lot of hate at times. It makes it pretty brutal, but you guys just keep me going. So I just wanted to say huge thank you, huge shout out to everybody that supports my videos and comes in consistently every week and watches my videos, because you guys are awesome. And if I don't talk to you, feel free to hit me up, because I'm a pretty chill person. I'm not gonna get pissed off that you're messaging me. Yeah, so just huge thanks to everybody and Happy New Year. I'm so glad this year is over. I think everybody is. So instead of New Year, New Me, it's New Year, New Car for me, okay? Oh my God, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this car, guys. I really don't know. Yeah. I have been working since 8 this morning. It is now like 9:30 at night and I am exhausted. I ate breakfast and that is it. So I'm gonna go finally get some dinner and a beer, maybe a shot. But I got everything off of the motor pretty much. Everything's pretty much ready to go. I just gotta pull the motor tomorrow morning. And then we'll crack the motor apart and see what the damage is. We're disconnected. Whole slew of parts over here. And the oil pan, all that lovely metal. It's day 2 of Disassembling. I think that's gonna be its new name. I'm about to disconnect the bell housing from the motor, pull the trans, and assess the damage. We'll pull everything apart, assess the damage, and see if we can what we can salvage, what I'm gonna do with it. I don't know. It's all up in the air right now. We'll see what happens. Bell housing is loose. Shift linkage is partially off. I have one more cable. Drive shaft's out. Axles are out. We're almost there.
looks so empty.